Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to pronunciation of Pinyin in Chinese. Unlike English, you usually cannot pronounce a Chinese word by spelling it. For example, in English, the word dad, we know how to pronounce it by just looking at it. D pronounces D. A pronounces A. So you know this word pronounces dad. But in Chinese, the word 雪, you'll never know its sound just by its look. Of course, there are some exceptions. For example, the word li. You can guess its sound using its part sound. This is its part. And this part sound is li. So you may think the whole word's sound is li, which is correct. But it's not always the case. So about 70 years ago, mainland China created a way to mark pronunciation, aka Pin Yin, using 26, or to be precisely 25 English letters, A, B, C, D, etc. Of course, the sound of these letters in Pinyin may not be the same as in English. And there are also a couple of other differences we should be aware of. One is that in Pinyin we use the Latin letter yu as well. The other thing is that we don't use letter V in Pinyin, although we use it as a method to replace letter yu when we input Chinese pinyin on electronic devices. For example, if we want to input a word with pinyin le yu, we need to input L V instead, because usually there is no yu key on our keyboard. Similar to English, Pinyin letters are also divided into kind of consonants, bu, ci, de, fu, etc., and the vowels, a, r, sorry, e, o, etc. Some letters can be put together to make consonant combinations, sh, sh, zh, etc. Or vowel combinations, I, O, A, etc. To make it simple, I'll just call these combinations consonants or vowels. Unlike an English word, which can be made out of multiple syllables, such as in word consonant. Consonant. 3 syllables. A Chinese character's pinyin is made out of exactly 1 syllable, starting with a consonant followed by a vowel. Some characters' pinyin may not have a leading consonant, such as an, You may have already noticed the little symbol on top of the letter in a pinyin. This is called a tone. This part is the major difference between Chinese characters pinyin and the English words pronunciation. And it's the most difficult part for non-native Chinese speakers. Every Chinese word has a tone. To correctly pronounce a word, you not only need to pronounce the pinyin letters, but also need to pronounce its tone. There are 5 tones. To be simple, I call them quiet tone, tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, and tone 4. The official names for the last 4 tones are level tone, rising tone, falling rising tone, and falling tone. The quiet tone, as the name suggests, makes the word sound quiet. For example, here, mama, the second ma has a quiet tone. It doesn't have a symbol really. The other kinds of tones should be put on top of one letter of the vowel or vowel combination. I know there's too much of information of today, but don't worry. I'll talk about those topics in detail in my later videos. Look forward to sharing them with you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.